This video is a how to locate and change a battery on a 2008 Saturn Outlook. This video will also be the same for a 2007 to 2010 Saturn Outlook, a 2009 to 2017 Chevy Traverse, a 2008 to 2024 Buick Enclave, a 2007 to 2025 GMC Acadia. The location of the battery is underneath the passenger rear floorboard. To access it, move the front passenger seat all the way forward, and then open up the passenger rear door, and then pull back the carpet, and there you'll find this little door. Move this seat all the way back, then grab this plastic panel and pull it up. And here you'll need a Torx T20. Use it to take out the screw. Now use a 10mm to undo the negative battery post. Pull it off. Then do the same with the positive post. Then use a long extension and a 13mm to remove this battery bracket holder. Also remove this battery vent tube on the left side of the battery. Now you can pull the cables back and pull the battery out. As you can see here on the battery tester, the battery test pad. Now you can install the new battery. This is a 48 series battery. Drop the battery in, reinstall your bracket. Use a 13mm to tighten it down. Then put your positive battery post back on. Tighten it down with a 10mm. Then your negative. Tighten it down. Reinstall this door and use the Torx T20 to tighten the screw back down. Then reinstall this plastic panel. Line it up and then just push it down. It's just installed with clips. And put your carpet back in place and you're all done. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.